If you've lost access to your PlayStation account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to recover it efficiently. Step 1. Visit the PlayStation support website. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Select the account recovery options. Choose the option for account recovery. You may need to enter your email address associated with the account to receive further instructions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or providing information related to your account, such as recent transactions or console details. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from PlayStation with recovery instructions. This email will guide you through the process of resetting your password or regaining access to your account. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the email, follow the link to reset your password. Create a new, secure password and ensure you update any security settings to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your PlayStation account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation customer support for further assistance.